Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We got my M5 right here. I'm in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I'm going to link up with my boy Alec with that modified M4 that you guys have heard on this channel. I'm going to go head out to Grosse Pointe, meet up with my brother James with his M3. Get some nice shots, some nice clips, and let you guys see the cars. So let's go meet up with Alec. Finally make it out to Envy. Got the M4 parked up. Figuring out some mods my dude want to do with it. Thinking about wrapping it, that kind of thing. So talking to the guys at Envy. But they're about to wash it up real quick. Get it all sudsy, get it all clean. Then we're about to go take it to Belle Isle, Detroit area. Take some nice shots. He be banging, man. What's good, brother?
What up, boys?
What's up, man? Oh shit, bro. This thing is clean.
Way over too.
Really?
Yeah. Got to, right? Oh yeah, I gotta keep it right. What's going on, fellas?
I'm not gonna ask to wash that too, are you?
He already got it clean.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's pretty clean.
Is this the same car?
No, that's Adam's. Yeah, there we go. Now come up a little more. Up a little more. Right there. That's good. Right there. I go back a tad, like from 2 inches. Yeah, that's it right there.
That's a nice setup. Wow, that's a loud ass bike. Yeah, we just got the cars parked up right there. Let me know which one you guys would take, the M4 or the M3. Together they just look like perfection, if you ask me, man. You got the circles from the M, the M3, and then you got those elongated squares. We'll see. But yeah, the elongated squares from the M4 just looks so nice. The M3 and M4 parked up. The city of Detroit, pretty much the whole city of Detroit behind us. I think that's the Renaissance building right there. And then right over here, that all right there is Canada. So we stand in the US, and then a whole different country, Canada, is right over the water. So I thought that was pretty cool. Here, this is where the show is at. M4 is all blacked out, and then our M3 is all white. No side marker on the M3 and no side markers on the M4 either. It just looks beast. So yeah, it's a great view. Yeah, this is a sight to behold. Black white. Beautiful, man. Appreciate you guys for watching our videos. It means a lot for supporting us, man, for real. But I think out of these two, I'd probably take the minivan. But yeah, it's awesome, man. You can see the Renaissance building over there. You know, when the trees fill up and everything, it's gonna be something, you know, a true sight to see. Awesome, man. For those of you guys who don't know, this thing is tuned, it has an exhaust, no resonator, crackles like hell. I'll put a clip in for you real quick. And then those of you guys don't know, my brother James's M3 has various mods done to it. Pretty much at the end of the story, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's catless. So yeah, you guys can put the two and two together. But yeah, between these two cars, which one would you guys pick? The Black Panther, or my brother James, he calls this one the Phantom Jr. Which one you guys doing? So I think that's it for today's video. We're probably gonna push on out, you know, go chill out and wind down from today's activities. But yeah, man, I love these two cars. The previous, what the hell? Damn bug. Talk about brakes. Damn. 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 Hey, what up? Take note of the knees. Proper ankle work. And he got on the Crispies too.
That footage.
Man. He riding.
Right.
That young Jeezy.
Mm-hmm. That's a third motivation.